Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an account user in Wells Fargo, step by step. Before we start, it's important to understand that Wells Fargo has different types of account users. If you want someone to only view your account information online, such as your accountant, bookkeeper, or financial consultant, you can add them as a guest user through Account Access Manager. If you want to add someone as a joint owner or signer on a bank account, you may need to visit a Wells Fargo branch. And if you want to add someone to a Wells Fargo credit card, that is usually called adding an authorized user. In this video, I'll explain the online guest user method first. First, open the official Wells Fargo website or the Wells Fargo mobile app. Sign in using your Wells Fargo username and password. Once you are logged in, go to your profile, security, or account access settings. Look for an option called Security and Support. This is the section where Wells Fargo lets you view and manage people who have access to your accounts. Open Use Account Access Manager. Now look for the Guest Users section. Select Add Guest User or Add New User, depending on what appears on your screen. Next, enter the required information for the person you want to add. This may include their name, email address, phone number, and other basic details. After that, Wells Fargo may ask you to create login details for the guest user or set up their online access. Now choose which account or accounts you want the guest user to access. Be careful here. Only select the accounts you actually want them to view. Next, choose the access level. For most guest users, you should select View Only Access. View Only Access usually allows the person to see balances, account activity, and statements, but it does not allow them to send money, make payments, or perform transactions. Review the details carefully. Check the user's name, selected accounts, and access level. If everything looks correct, confirm and submit the request. After the guest user is added, Wells Fargo should show that the user now has access through Account Access Manager. You can return to this same section later if you want to review, edit, or remove their access. Now, if you want to add someone as a full account owner or signer, the process is different. For a checking or savings account, Wells Fargo may require you and the other person to visit a Wells Fargo branch. You may need valid identification and account details. In some cases, an appointment may be required. So if your goal is to give someone legal ownership or signing authority on the account, it is better to contact Wells Fargo or visit a branch. If you want to add someone to a Wells Fargo credit card, that is called adding an authorized user. To do that, sign in to Wells Fargo online. Open your credit card account. Look for Account Services, Credit Card Service Center, or Manage Authorized Users. Choose the option to add an authorized user. Enter the person's required details, review the request, and submit it. The authorized user may receive their own card in the mail, and any spending they do may be added to your credit card balance. Remember, only add someone you trust. As the main account holder, you may be responsible for activity on the account, depending on the type of access you give. And that's it. This is how you add an account user in Wells Fargo, depending on whether you need a guest user, a joint account owner, a signer, or a credit card authorized user. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the next Wells Fargo tutorial you want me to cover.